how's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics. I have my Wahl Clippers here. These are specifically the Wahl All Pro Clippers. They're an older model. In this short review, we wanted to talk a little bit about the durability of the product. These clippers actually used to belong to my grandmother. She had a little barbershop in the bottom, in the basement of her house, so she'd cut hair for all of her friends in the neighborhood. Had complete sink and the chair, and the whole setup. So they're an older model, still have the cord. Okay, I know they have fancy ones out now that are actually wireless, that you can so you're not restricted by the length of the cord. I have switched out the blades on these. It's a real simple process. You just take off the screws, this top part comes off, and the blades underneath. You just pop a new blade in there and then screw this back on. Easy process. After all these years, they still work great. As I said before, it's a good way to save some money. I haven't actually gone into a barbershop or a hair shop for a while. Probably not even saying that right. So I'm not sure what the prices are these days for a haircut. I think the last time I went and got an actual haircut, it cost me around 40 bucks at a nice gentleman's shop. At Supercuts, I don't know what they charge anymore either. I think way back in the day it used to be like 15-20 bucks. I'm not sure how much, but it's a good way to save some money on haircuts. Just go and get yourself some clippers, a pair of scissors. If you want to just do a little trimming, these clippers would definitely last you a lifetime if you take care of them properly. So if you're shopping for a brand of clippers, I highly recommend the Wahl brand. As I said, these used to belong to my grandma, and they've probably are around 60 years old, I'd say. I'm 40, you can do the math. So maybe even older. I don't know how long she had them, but she had them for a long time. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and shop around. If you want to get the cordless, I'll leave a link to that as well. I'll also leave links for replacement blades. So thanks for watching. Let me share my little story about my clippers here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it out. If you'd like to see future videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Just click the subscribe button. I believe the link's down there, and get notified of future videos as they come out. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.